What is it, sweet? You talk to Nona.
All right. I packed you an extra fruit roll-up so you can trade. Thanks.
Harper, you need to get dressed. It's almost 8.
I am dressed. It's on the counter.
Oh, well, good.
Brush your teeth?
Yeah.
All right, let's get going.
Can Dad take me?
Hey, Tina's gonna take you.
You never take me anymore, please, Dad?
You can take it. It's okay.
You sure?
But you better get going. You're gonna do it.
Hey.
Bye, Tina.
Bye, Tina.
Okay, got it. No, this is just about good. Yeah, thanks, Greg.